Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Smart Study Hub. In this video we'll learn how to prepare for IIT, Indian Institutes of Technology, in the competitive nature of the entrance exams. Section 1, preparing for IIT. Discuss the importance of starting early and planning your study schedule, and mention the relevance of choosing the right coaching institute, and emphasize the significance of understanding the exam pattern. Section 2, effective study techniques. Share tips on how to take efficient notes. Discuss the importance of solving previous year question papers, and also use online resources and educational apps. Section 3, time management. Use strategies for time management. After reading, sometimes take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Section 4, revision and mock tests. Create your own revision schedule and discuss the value of taking mock tests and analyzing your performance. These are the tips for preparation of IIT.